sixth chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 42. Last part completed impounded 7 marks. Each part completed impounded 7 marks. Here also be one more model 7 marks explained. What is that problem? If a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, that equal to pi, then prove that sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c is equal to 2 sin a sin b sin c. Here ratios in terms of sin, but square is there. That's why you have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? LHS part is sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c. This is the LHS part. In this LHS part, you can convert it to first two terms in the form of sin square a minus sin square b, or cos square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus sin square a, any one model. You can write first in place of sin square a. In place of sin square a, you can write 1 minus cos square a. Why? Because you can write 1 minus cos square a. You can write 1 minus cos square a, that can be converted to formula order. What is the here? Sin square equal to 1 minus cos square a by the identity of the first trigonometry identity. Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Then sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a. You can write sin square a by 1 minus cos square a plus sin square b minus sin square c. See students, 1 in these two terms, just these two terms you can common minus. You can common minus. You get what? Cos square a minus sin square b minus sin square c. See students, 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a, minus into minus plus sin square b. Understood or not students? Here formula is there. Cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b formula is there. What is that formula? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. See students, this problem converted to formula model in this way. You can convert it to first formula model. Here formula model is there. Cos square a minus sin square b formula. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is there. You can write in this place this formula 1 minus cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b minus sin square c minus sin square c. Here you can write in this place this form. You know that a plus b plus c equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Then a plus b equal to how much? A plus b equal to 180 minus c. You can write in place of a 180 minus c. 1 minus cos of 180 minus c. In place of a plus b, you can write 180 minus c into cos of a minus b minus sin square c minus sin square c. 180 minus theta which quoted? 180 minus theta second quoted. Second quoted cos is negative. Cos is what here? Negative. 180 which function? Even function. Cos can be written as cos c into cos of a minus b minus sin square c. Understood or not students? Once again explain students. 180 minus c lies on second quoted. Second quoted cos is negative. 180 is odd function. Cos can be unchanged. Cos c. Here minus cos is there. Remaining term you can write similar. Minus into minus what? Minus into minus 1 plus cos c into cos of a minus b minus sin square c. In this sin square c, you can write in the form of cos. Sin square written in the form of cos by using first identity. 1 plus cos c into cos of a minus b minus sin square c, nothing but 1 minus cos square c by the first identity of the trigonometry. 1 minus cos square c. You can write 1 plus cos c into cos of a minus b. You can write in place of sin square c, you can write 1 minus cos square c. Which identity? First identity of the trigonometry. Minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square c. After that, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Remaining what? Remaining here cos C into cos of A minus B plus cos square C. Cos C into cos of A minus B plus cos square C. In this two term, which one is common? In this two term, which one is common? Cos C will be common. Cos C common. Remaining what? Cos of A minus B plus cos C. Cos of A minus B plus cos C. What side is it? Cos C into cos of A minus B is there, plus cos C into cos C, cos square C is there. We know that A plus B plus C equal how many degrees? A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Then C is equal to 180 minus A minus B. C is equal to 180 minus of A plus B. C is equal to what here? 180 minus of A plus B. Write down in place of C. Cos C. Here cos C is similar. In this place, you can write in this C place, you can write 180 minus of A plus B. See students, once again explain. In place of C, you can write 180 minus of A plus B. After that, cos C is similar. Cos of A minus B also be similar. Plus 180 minus theta, which coordinate? Second coordinate. Second coordinate cos is negative. 180 is even function. Even function cos is cos. Theta value is A plus B. Theta value is A plus B. Understood or not, students? After that, cos C into cos of A minus B plus into minus cos of A plus B. This is in the form of cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. You know that this formula already explained in previous processes. This is important formula. What is that formula? Cos of A plus A minus B, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B formula is 2 sin A sin B. See students, first you can read and write formulas. Then after that you can solve this problem easily understood. After that you can write cos C. This total value is what here? 2 sin A sin B. You can write 2 is constant. You can write first you can write A angle sin A. After that B angle sin B into after that C angle cos C. This is the RHS spot. Correct or not? Check students. What is the RHS spot? 2 sin A into sin B into cos C. 2 sin A into sin B into cos C. This is the another model problem. In this model problems are unexpected. In this model problems are coming to the IP examination. 90% students are wrong this answer. Why? Because you can convert this form 1 minus cos square A after that cos square A minus sin square A formula is not coming some students. That's why you can read and write formulas perfectly. You can easily understood and easily solve this model problems. Today assignment problem or homework problem, previous problem model is, what is that problem? If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees or 5 radians, then prove that sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C is equal to 1 minus 2 into sin A into sin B into sin C. What is the difference between previous problem and this problem? Just a small difference. That is, previous problem sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square is there. In this problem, in place of minus, you can write plus. Here first we have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part? Sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C. This is the LHS part. In this LHS part, first you can write in place of sin square X which formula? 1 minus cos square A formula. By the first idea already explained previous problem. Plus sin square B plus sin square C. After that, in this two term you can common minus. You can got 1 minus of cos square A minus sin square B plus sin square C. Here minus into plus minus cos square A minus into minus plus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B form. What is the formula of cos square A minus sin square B? Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write in this place cos of a plus b to cos of a minus b. You know that a plus b plus c value. A plus b plus c value is 180 degrees. Then a plus b equal to what here? A plus b equal to 180 minus c. A plus b equal to what here? 180 minus c. Substituted in this formula. After that, sometime you can use c. C is equal to 180 minus of a plus b. This is also a important formula. Here, you can do that in this problem. Solve this problem. You can use a plus b value is 180 minus c and c value is 180 minus of a plus b. After that, in place of sin scale c, sometimes you can write in place of sin scale c. Sometimes you can write 1 minus cos scale d, 1 minus cos scale c in terms of cos c. Okay, students. We are using this hint, these formulas, these conditions. You can use solve this problem. Previous problem model. Previous problem, this problem. What is the difference between these two problems? Just in place of plus, you can write previous problem. In place of minus, you can write plus. You get easily coming to this problem. Okay, students. These two problems are important problems in 7 marks